convert text to folders. I mean to say, let's suppose this is a text file and these are the names that you want to use to create a folder. Means you want a folder for 2001, you want a folder for 2002 and up to 2010. Now how to do this? It's very easy. First of all, you need to write MD before every text. Now shortcut to do this, it's very simple. Go to here, replace 20 with MD20, replace all. This is how you have to do. It was a shortcut way to write MD before every text. This is a simple text. Any text that you want to use to create a folder, just write MD before that text. MD means make directory. MD means make directory. So you just need to write MD before every text. Now save as any name. I write create.cmd. Yes, you must write .cmd. Now save, close it, open it. Now you can see folders are made. Thank you, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.